Today we're gonna do some oats with some protein shake. First, I start with the instant oats. Be careful. I put 3 scoops. Then we add our hot water to the point where they're just barely floating. Then we grab our protein. I use a protein drink mix and 2 scoops. Then we choose the flavoring of the shake, which is the shake mix, but is dulce de leche this time. We're gonna also add 2 scoops. And today I'm just gonna add some extra flavoring, butter pecan, and only 10 calories. Do 1 tablespoon generously or at your liking. We pour more hot water on top. Make sure it just barely floats. Then with a spoon, we start mixing it. Let me fast forward, and it looks like it's getting thicker, so make sure it has a thick, rich consistency. Now I add 1/3 to half a banana. Then I add some berries. And this is a choice. I added chia seeds. Don't forget to accompany it with your favorite tea. Enjoy!